There Will Come Soft Rains by Ray Bradbury. Analysis by Emma Whitaker. Background information. The title of the story is There Will Come Soft Rains, published May 6, 1950 in Collier's Weekly. The author, Ray Bradbury, born August 22, 1920 in Waukegan, Illinois, USA. Died June 5, 2012 in Los Angeles, California. This American creator, best known for his exceedingly creative brief stories and books that mix an idyllic fashion, sentimentally for childhood, social feedback, and mindfulness of risk runaway innovation. The summary of this story is, in August of 2026, in California, a fully automated house reports that it is time to wake up. However, the house is empty. Breakfast is normally made, but there's no one to eat it. Exterior, where the program sprinklers come on, a divider can be seen where the paint has all been burned off except for some outlines. There's an outline of a man and a lady doing yard work, and of a boy and a young lady tossing a ball. The rest of the neighborhood is charred and smooth, and a radioactive gleam hangs over the city. A canine enters the house, secured with bruises, and passes on. The automated mice that consequently clean the house take the canine absent to the incinerator. As evening comes, the house consequently peruses the woman's favorite poem, There Will Come Soft Rains. The sonnet depicts how, once man is totally annihilated, since of war, nature will go on without man, as the off chance that nothing happened. Afterward, that night, a tree bough falls on the house, causing a fire that devours all of the house but one wall. The plot breakdown. The plot is about a house that survived a nuclear blast in the future. The house is futuristic in the way that it is fully automated. Each day the house does all the daily chores, ignoring the fact that it is empty. Conflict. In my opinion, the conflict is nature versus technology, and the reasoning behind my opinion is the house fought the fire and tried to stay alive, thinking it was protecting my family, even though they passed away. In the end, it loses its battle to nature/the fire, with only one wall standing. Setting. The setting for the story is August 26th inside an empty, burnt house. The setting is 6 years into the future in Allendale, California. Characters/narration. Since the humans died, the only characters in the story are the automated house, that still does chores even though the family died. The dog, aka the only living creature in the story, unfortunately passes away throughout the story. The clock, who tells the routine. Theme. The brutality of nuclear weapons. Employment awful images. The skinny pooch. The four outlines where the house's family were burned within the blast, to appear the pointless brutality of nuclear weapons. Symbols. The rain represents the power of nature and how even though we are technologically advanced, we cannot rely on nature to go our way. The voice clock represents what would be going on if the humans were still alive. It represents routine. Thank you for listening.